way of progressing down the room, making lots of beats, mostly using one foot, but as you progress to higher numbers of riffs, the other foot comes into play also. When you do tap exams, you will find each association has their own variation of riffs. So you need to be sure to check with your teacher how your association would like your beats of riffs to be done. You can make up your own riffs, so why not have a go and see if you can make your own riffs from the beginner steps that I've already shown in other videos. So to give you an easy example of riffs, if we were saying a 1-beat riff, that would be making one sound and then progressing. So 1-beat riff, remember at the beginning we use each foot for however many beats we're going to do. So 1 beat needs to make 1 beat on one foot before using the other foot to make the same beat. So 1 beat would be like walking. 1, 1, 1, 1. So I hope that explains it easily for you. We are going to learn in my videos up to 12-beat riffs. We will split this video, so whatever number we get up to in this first session, I will be doing videos up to the count of 12-beat riffs. So we'll start with 2 beats. From my videos before, you will know you can make 2 beats, either heel dig, slap down the ball. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's one way you could make 2 beats. Or you could do ball, heel, ball, heel. Make every beat loud when you're making riffs. So you want nice, strong beats. When you're practicing these, do not progress to the next number until you've got the previous number really fast, because riffs are about very fast sounds. So let's try the ball, heel very quick. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's medium. You'll find you could get even faster still. So they're quite good fun to do up and down your room practicing. Make sure they're even, so don't miss any sounds. You want 2 good clear sounds. Now my riffs up to 12, we keep that, but we add one more thing to the beginning to make it the next number. So every riff will have this on the end. So we've got to add something to the beginning to make it 3 beats. And we're going to make a heel dig. Heel. Now because the heel's already down, we're going to roll it to the ball and then the heel. So once we've done the heel, don't pick your foot up again. We've got to roll it because we want the speed. So it's heel dig, keep that heel down, slap the ball down, bend it and heel beat. Heel dig, ball beat, heel down. Heel dig, ball beat, heel beat. Remember they're called beats because they stay down. Like your toe, if it stayed down, it would be a toe beat. If your ball goes down in any form and stays down, it's a ball beat. If your heel goes down and stays down, it's a ball beat. They're only called taps if they go down and pop up again, like a toe. Down and up is a toe tap, toe and stay down, toe beat. So we want the beats here because we want them strong for now. So we do heel dig because we're digging it in, ball beat, heel beat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Get that nice rolling action going. 1, 2, 3. 1, roll down, keep that heel down, slap the ball down, bang the heel. So, a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll do it the other way for you so you can see. A bit better. And 1, 2,